Good morning, guys. Spotted this one on Thingiverse when I was looking for the business card sized kits. It's the same general idea, but obviously it's a lot bigger. It's a Jeep. So we'll lift that one off and put that together. Nearly 4 hours. And that was on low quality. I think my printer's pretty slow compared to other people's nowadays. Right, we'll put this one together. There'll be a link in the video description to the Thingiverse link, so you can download it yourself and print it off. Looks to me like the body folds up. Just move the camera a little bit. There we go. I expect there's instructions on the Thingiverse site, but we'll see if we can get away without reading the instructions. I have to tidy the floor in a minute. Bits flying off everywhere. These are clearly the axles. This is the windscreen, I would think. Hopefully the wheels are all identical. Well, there's one that's different, which is the back wheel, spare wheel. Could probably have printed this quite a bit smaller. This is just the default size, which is a bit big for credit card size. Right, now this one, oh, looks like that bit we'll have to trim. But I reckon the rest of this folds. Yeah. I'll probably have to put the wheels through. Wheel's going to be inside or outside? That's a good question. I would think they're probably supposed to go inside. This looks a bit wide then, doesn't it? That looks a bit odd. I expect probably need to put glue on this. Oh, there's no way that's going to fit. Well, that's a bit disappointing. Seriously? Those dimensions are completely wrong. So if that's going to fit on there, wheels will have to go on the outside. No way they'll go inside. And even then it's a bit tight. That one's going to go across there. And that's going to go in there. Right, I'm going to have to glue it. Right, yeah, I'll get some glue, glue it together, and you can see what it looks like when we're finished. Obviously, I fast-forwarded the build section there. We can now see the finished article. Looks okay. And the wheels rotate. Well, almost. Yeah, all right in that direction. They need a bit of a grip to help them rotate. So, that was a success. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.